There are so many types to choose from when it comes to selecting a grease for cable lubrication. The ester base fluid, lithium, and lithium complex might work. But if the washout is what you're concerned about, you can rely on the calcium sulfonate grease. Polyurethane might suit your brake cable as well. So without any further delay, let's get started. Number 1. Motion Pro Lubricant 05098. Applying adequate amounts of lubricant is the key to keeping the bike brake cables quite smooth and jam-free. In that case, you can get your hands on the Motion Pro 05098, which takes the front position on our list. This particular lube is formulated with Teflon, enabling the cables to work way more smoothly. It delivers the cables a better treat. Thankfully, the lubricant equips no CF candersquos, making the lube environment-friendly and compatible with all users. But it's easily flammable, so you have to make sure you keep it far away from extreme heat or hot temperatures. For user convenience, the 6-ounce spray comes with a nozzle tube that ensures maximum precision. Even you won't have to deal with a mess while lubricating bike cables. Speaking of drawbacks, we've found nothing, it's just a bit steep. Number 2. Protect All Cable Life 25006. Whether it's your bike, motorcycle, snowmobile, boat, or anything else, this one from Protect All is highly capable of extending cable life and fixing rust issues within minutes. Protect All, the lube ensures optimal protection by keeping out moisture, corrosion, and such issues. The name speaks for itself. Thanks to its ultra-thin film. Compared to other models, it's so convenient to use, and most interestingly, you won't have to take your vehicle's cable away from the housing while using it. Unlike the typical lubes out there, it suits both humid and high temperatures. And guess what? It can work just fine even if the temperature is less than 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Besides, the 6.25-ounce spray protects the cable from snow, freezing, ice buildup, and such issues, making it the best brake cable lubricant out there in the current market. Number 3. PJ1445311-12 Cable Lube. The cable lubricator from PJ1 is an excellent solution for those who are hungry for quicker and smoother cable operation. With a can of about 11 ounces, it comes with a specific straw, so you can provide the lube in a pretty easy and hassle-free way. It penetrates within no time. Besides, the lube is capable of displacing moisture and preventing corrosion at the same time. Needless to say, it can extend the life of throttle, brake, and clutch cables to make sure ultimate longevity. Not only the cable lube provides better protection, but it also minimizes slop and cleans the cable with its advanced formula. Amazing! But keep in mind, the chemical it comes with causes discomfort to the eyes. So putting on safety goggles might help you to get rid of that problem. Number 4. Liquid Wrench L711 Chain and Cable Lube. Our next lube is brought to you by Liquid Wrench. Specially designed for bike brake cables, it's compatible with other such vehicles as well, including bicycles, ATVs, farm equipment, and so forth. The advanced formula it gets makes it fast and super efficient. It penetrates too deep and dries pretty early. Once the lubricant gets completely settled, it starts offering its highest protection straight away against rust, corrosion, and moisture. Capable of preventing oxidation, it's designed to increase the cable life. Besides, the lubricant is equipped with synthetic moly and anti-wear additives, ensuring superior and optimum performance. The size it gets is about 11 ounces. Along with it, you're getting a specific straw that lets you reach into tight parts to fix the issues permanently. And guess what? The lube also packs a reasonable price range. When you apply it, you'll see the lube stays firmly where it requires. Credit goes to the anti-sling properties it comes with. There is a drawback that we've found to it. It offers a strong oily smell, which might be a bummer. But hopefully, wearing a mask can save you from that situation. Number 5, Tusk Cable Luber with Champion's Choice Cable Lube. Bike cable lubrication should be done with an amazing lube to get the maximum benefit from it. In that case, we don't think choosing the cable lube from Tusk won't be a house of cards. Purchasing an extra cable lubrication tool is not necessary if you get your hands on this model. Along with a 6.25-ounce bottle, it delivers cable luber to let you apply lubes on your bike brake cables in the best way possible. Users will be able to inject the lube without much effort. Plus, it lubricates, purges, and cleans within seconds, making you capable of fixing every single issue concerning brake cables. With a non-drying super thin film, the aerosol cable lube can penetrate much deeper, displace moisture, and last but definitely not least, protect the brake cables from rust, corrosion, and stuff like that. Thanks for watching. You can find all the product links in the description. If you have any questions about our video, feel free to leave a comment. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe.